Here's a great deal on a 2007 Buick Rendezvous. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.